Shifa's Kitchen.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shifa's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make rice tortillas or chawal ki roti. For this we will need 3 cups of rice flour, 1.5 cup of water. If you need more you can use it, and salt to taste. In the pan add water and let it boil. To this add salt as per your taste. Let the salt dissolve in the water. To the boiling water add rice flour and mix it vigorously. To the flour add 1 more cup of water and mix it. As soon as the flour color changes, remove it on a dish and let it cool for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep the rice flour mixture to rest for 10 minutes and let it cool. Knead the dough by using water. Our dough for rice chapati is ready. Now we'll make round rotis from it. By doing this you will get sharp edges. Now we'll place our roti in the pan. On it add water. Now flip the roti or chapati and let it cook. As you know, the rice flour has been cooked before. Don't cook it too much or your rotis will turn hard. Our chawal ki roti is done. Rice chapati is ready. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.